This is just a brief review of some of the angles we've used with our GoPros that have helped us really get better at learning together. This is what we call the west view. It's from one end of the operatory, kind of behind the patient and Joy. This is above and behind the assistant. It gives a very good view of the teamwork from the assistant's perspective, and Joy found this very helpful. This is more of a ceiling view above and behind Joy, and it also gives kind of an architectonic view of Joy's motions, so that can also be very helpful to the assistant, as well as keeping an eye on the assistant posture and seat position. This is the doctor monitor view, and this is probably the most common view that we use, because you can see all four hands as well as the sitting positions of the doctor and assistant. So this is with the GoPro mounted on the cart monitor. So this is probably the most common view. If you've seen any of our ergonomic videos, we use this view a lot. So it's a very useful view. And then there's more of a level view from the cart, not from above, which also can give a very good indication of how well you're working as a team and wasted motions. And then we have a view on a monitor above the doctor's left shoulder, and this also can be very valuable in evaluating your ergonomic efficiencies and improvements that you can make. And then above the assistant is also useful, especially when trying to learn contemporaneous record keeping, and the hand positions of the assistant, switching hands, and the use of the suction and strop goes as well. So these views are very helpful. And this is above and behind the assistant a little bit. So all of these views are very, very helpful. You don't have to use them all, but if you take time and review these different views with your assistant, you'll discover all kinds of inefficiencies that you didn't know that you had. And it all depends on the angle that you're looking at. So I hope you find this worthwhile.